The Breville, the Kuvings or Cuisinart, perhaps the Sana or the Hurom? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 electric juicers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 electric juicers. The 5th product on this list is the Cuisinart CSJ-300. Looking for a sleek and silent juicer that won't take up too much counter space? Look no further. This slim and attractive masticating juicer is the perfect choice for those who value quiet and clean juicing. With its upright design, it has a small footprint of only 10.24 by 6.97 inches, but extends 18 inches upwards to extract every last drop of juice. This juicer's components are all made of stainless steel or dark plastic, and its muted gray and translucent black color scheme ensures that it looks stylish but not too distracting in your kitchen. The masticating auger generates less heat than traditional juicers, which means that your food retains all of its delicious flavors and nutrients. And the best part? There's no mesh to clean. Instead, the auger is easily hand washable and dishwasher safe, as are all of the detachable components. This powerful juicer features a single switch with 3 settings, on, off, and reverse, making it incredibly straightforward to use. The reverse function comes in handy when juicing tougher ingredients like kale and carrots. And with its placement on the model side, you won't have to awkwardly lean over to access the machine's back. But the real magic of this juicer lies in its versatility. With this machine, you can make an infinite number of nutritious and delicious beverage options, ranging from fresh pressed juices to alternative kinds of milk to refreshing tonics and spritzers. So why wait? Start juicing today with this ultra-versatile machine. Its pros are: its mesh-free design makes cleaning effortless, it has a very useful reverse setting that unclogs the pulp, and it has a powerful motor that operates with quiet efficiency. However, it produces slightly lower yields compared to other masticating juicers. The Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a fantastic masticating juicer that is ideal for juicing enthusiasts and health-conscious home chefs. Up next in 4th place is the Hurom H-200. What flavors do you love in your juice? Do you enjoy sweet fruits such as apples and oranges? What about dark leafy greens like kale and spinach? How about cashews or almonds for a nutty taste? With this Hurom juicer, you can confidently select from a variety of ingredients. The Easy Clean chamber set is combined with the self-feeding hopper, which has a larger inlet that can accommodate whole-sized apples. Less preparation and cleanup means more time to enjoy freshly squeezed juice. Like the previous model, this juicer uses an auger to extract juice rather than shredding fruits and vegetables with high-speed blades, as cheaper centrifugal juicers do. This natural motion minimizes ingredient damage, preserving natural flavor and nutrition. While not dishwasher safe, this machine is straightforward to clean. It has a 2-piece grooved plastic basket with large holes instead of a mesh basket, so all you have to do is rinse it under running water before storing it. It's likely the most innovative feature of this juicer, and is something that makes it far more user-friendly when it comes to daily use. What's more, you'll appreciate its minimalist and space-saving design, which allows you to easily fit it on your kitchen countertop without crowding out other appliances. So if you're looking to boost your nutritional intake in a natural way, this is a brilliant option. Its pros are: all of its parts are made 100% BPA-free, making it safe to use even for your baby's food. Its hopper is 3 times larger than an average hopper of a masticating juicer, which means you can add whole-sized apples without chopping them up. And it is equipped with the Easy Clean chamber set, which includes strainers with elongated grooves instead of small holes. You can simply rinse the parts underwater with no scrubbing required. However, it doesn't strain pulpy fruits super well, so it may not be ideal for those who want super smooth orange juice. The Hurom H-200 juicer is a highly versatile juicer designed to assist busy parents that want to serve healthy, freshly prepared juice to their families. Still haven't found an electric juicer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Kuvings EVO820. This incredible juicer from Kuvings is yet another way to reduce prep work and enjoy juice's fuller, richer taste. It uses low-speed masticating technology to extract as much juice as possible from fresh produce, while preserving nutrients and minerals. It combines well with fruits, leafy greens, and nuts to make delectable juices, milk, and frozen desserts. This well-designed appliance produces some of the highest juicing yields and is exceptionally appealing, making it a great showpiece in your kitchen. The streamlined design and leather texture on the motor base add a stylish yet modern look to your countertop. It has a larger O-shaped feeding chute and a drum, making it a true evolution of previous iterations of this masticating juicer. We also like how this model is more durable because of its upgraded drum lid, which has been improved by moving the assembly point, which allows the drum set to rest in a more stable position. By changing the internal structure and combination of the juice strainer, this upgraded 5th generation drum improves durability and expulsive power. If you're still not convinced, you should know that this juicer is also very simple to clean. The upper part of the pulp outlet has been opened, and the width is wider than in previous models, allowing fine residue to be easily cleaned up. All in all, there's a lot to like about this juicer, so it certainly is worth considering if you're looking to make some healthy lifestyle changes. Its pros are: it has a flap gate system designed to prevent children's small hands from entering the feeding chute. It has an upgraded drum design, improving juice expulsion as well as juicer durability. And it features 50 RPMs low-speed masticating technology that extracts the maximum vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. However, it's not dishwasher safe, so you'll need to be prepared to spend a little time cleaning this device. The Kuvings EVO820 is another excellent electric juicer, designed for everything from smoothies, baby food, nut milk, and sorbets. It's also ideal for juicing delicate herbs, berries, carrots, and apples. The second product on this list is the Cuisinart CSJ-300 Supreme. This next unit utilizes a patented design of a new brushless DC motor that is lighter, has a longer operating time, consumes less power, is quiet, and has precise variable speed control. This advanced motor also allows continuous operation, unlike most juicers, which only run for 15 to 30 minutes. It also has an auto reverse feature, meaning if any produced jams, the motor will reverse for 2 seconds to clear the jam, and then continue forward. This juicer is also compact because the motor is positioned vertically, and a durable gearing system allows horizontal operation in a vertical form factor. Its advanced motor also introduces its most revolutionary feature, variable speed control. It has 4 speed settings: 40, 65, 90, and 120 RPM. Its auger also has more widely spaced fins, which allows for larger bites from produce and speeds up juicing. It likewise has a rotating stainless steel blade at the pulp outlet that squeezes one last squeeze of juice from the existing pulp by cutting it and slightly increasing the pressure in the juicing chamber. That's not all. This juicer also has a locking juice cap, which allows the juicing drum to be carried to the sink after juicing without any liquid dripping on the counter. It also allows you to fill the chamber with water in the sink for faster cleaning. Finally, this juicer has 3 screens. The finest juicing screen produces the highest yield. The coarse juicing screen has less pressure, allowing you to juice softer fruits, whereas the homogenizing screen allows you to make nut butter, milk, sorbets, baby food, and more. These juicing screens are stainless steel with a wing insert for the clearest, most hygienic juice. This appliance is a fantastic choice for anyone needing a reliable and effective electric juicer. Its pros are: it has a custom-designed stainless steel pulp catcher. It features a heavy-duty auger that grinds and presses your produce to squeeze out as much juice as possible. And it uses an impressively heavy Bohemian crystal glass jug that feels very solid. However, it has a much smaller capacity than most juicers, so it is more suited to personal use. The Cuisinart CSJ-300 Supreme is a fantastic kitchen tool for making freshly squeezed juice to give yourself a boost of vitamins before work. It is well made and ideal for a wide range of fruits, greens, and vegetables. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best electric juicer is the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro. Get ready to revolutionize your juicing and blending game with the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro. This amazing machine is a juicer and blender in one. With its cold spin technology and 1100 watt base, you can extract maximum yield and optimal nutrient extraction from your produce. The extra wide feed chute with the 3.5-inch diameter makes it super easy to toss in ingredients of any size without any prep work. With 5 one-touch programs and 10 speed settings, you can extract fresh juice directly into the 50-ounce jug and use it to make delicious smoothies, cocktails, and more. But wait, there's more. This amazing device can be attached to the same base as the juicer, making it easy to switch from juicing to blending with minimal hassle. With preset programs like Green Smoothie, Smoothie, Pulse Ice Crush, and Frozen Cocktail, you can create silky smooth textures and crush ice into snow. Plus, the one-touch program makes it effortless to whip up a wide range of fresh smoothies and juices in no time. One of the best features of this juicer is the auto clean function, making cleanup a breeze. And with its compact size, it won't take up too much counter space in your kitchen. The pulp bin located behind the brushed stainless steel base is a convenient and mess-free way to collect the pulp. Overall, this amazing juicer and blender combo packs a powerful punch, giving you more options and making your life easier. It's perfect for juicing fruits and vegetables, crushing ice, chopping, folding, and aerating creamy smoothies and even soups. So why wait? Grab the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro today and start creating delicious and nutritious drinks right away. Its pros are: its versatility allows you to blend, juice, or combine fresh juice with blended mixes to benefit from all the nutrients. It's compatible with the Vac-Q, which removes air from the jug before blending to help preserve the maximum amount of nutritional value. It allows juice to flow up and through the stainless steel cutting disc, which is surrounded by an Italian-made high-quality mesh filter. And it comes with a 2-year limited product warranty for your peace of mind. However, its powerful motor can be a little noisy. With its multifunctionality and efficient juicing capabilities, the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro undoubtedly stands out as the best juicer available, making it a versatile and highly recommended addition to any countertop. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.